भिडियो पो ल ल ल जानु भयो भयो आउनुहोस् यो दुइटा ल आऊ खाना खुवाउँदैछ पेङ्गुइनलाई खाना खुवाउँदैछ
Penguin. Mine too. It's feeding time. It's feeding time.
Supposed to say. Come on, let's try this one more time. There you go, he said shh. Because some of the noises he make may be very soft. Alright, let's listen to the first sound. What sound is it? Yes, it's someone knocking on the door. And when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? He's asking who? I think it's your fierce neighbor, the dog. Sounded more like a puppy. Now you can also copy high-tech sounds, okay, which he already mentioned earlier. Okay, Papa, can you do it one more time? It's the sound of a ringing telephone, and when someone calls you on the phone, you pick it up and you say hello. Hello. Oh, very nice and sweet hello by Papa. Now, Papa here can also copy human sounds that you and I make. When Papa is feeling sad, he will cry. Oh, very sad, but now I am going to cheer him up by tickling him. That's his laughter. And now that he's happy, he's going to show all of you his happy dance. Round and round he goes. Good job, Papa. Now he is also learning to sing a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone here celebrating your birthdays today? Okay, this young man is celebrating his birthday. Anyone else? 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2. Anyone else? 3, 4, all the way up there. 5, 6. How about the last section? Any birthdays? No? Alright, now for the 6 of you, Papa here is going to sing you a line of the birthday song. You ready, Papa? Oh, Papa, that was a bit too fast. Let's do it together slowly, okay? Happy birthday to you. On your own. There you go. Happy birthday to the 6 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now for the rest of you, or for all of you, Papa has another message to say. Papa, what is it?
I love you. I love you.
We all love you too, Papa. Now can all of you wave your hands and say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Papa, it's your turn. Let's hear it for Papa. Yellow Nix, Amazon. Right. It looks like we are in position. Now, Harriet, you can spread your wings and fly. You're checking out the surroundings first, and only if it is safe, you will take off. Alright, there you go. Okay, Harriet, the next box is to your right. Can you hop a little? Come on. To your right. Okay, still checking out her surroundings. Ready, Harriet? No, still checking out her surroundings. Okay, there you go. And one more hop, please. Yes, up on the perch. There you go. Now, what Harriet is doing right now is she is going to inspect her nest box. Ready to inspect your nest box, Harriet? No, still not ready. And almost Vega. Beautiful flights by Kaya and Vega. With powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers, and very sharp eyesight, this allows our birds to remain maneuverable while flying. Alright, so these 2 birds are going to take off from 2 different ends and hopefully meet somewhere around our center hook right there. Okay, so center volunteer, you have to keep your hooks straight and steady, alright? Okay, that looks like everyone is ready. Kaya, ready? And go! Whoa! And they did it! Let's give Kaya a round of applause. Thank you very much, Kaya and Edie. Alright, now Vega is still here with me because Vega has another flight to do. Amiru, we have another flight. Don't break the hook. What are you doing? Wow, that's a number 8. Vega going to fly to the number 8? No? Even smaller. Okay? Whoa, that is a really small hook. Are you sure Vega can fly to that hook? Okay, he's very confident because macaws, they have streamlined bodies that helps them to fly through the dense vegetation to escape from potential dangers of predators. Having said that, this is going to be a bit challenging for Vega, but let's all keep our fingers crossed, alright? Okay, ready Vega? And lift off. And Vega has done it! Let's give Vega a louder round of applause. And home is over. just a warm-up excuses. So what do you want now? Shall we have one more game? Yes? Alright, let's give Barry a second chance. Barry supporters, please cheer for your bird, because the louder you cheer, the faster these birds will go. Alright, so 4 fruits each for the birds. Okay? Ready and go! Yes, he missed one. It's okay. Looks like we have a draw this afternoon. Okay, please. Back to Africa, the birds of the long and sexy legs, our greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's welcome our beautiful macaws from South America, coming from up there and there. And there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. Let's all give them a big hand. Since we have come to the end of the High Flyer show, you are more than welcome to come on down and take pictures of the birds on stage as our trainers usher them back home. But please remember, do not touch the birds, alright? And if you want to bring home fond memories of the show, do it right up there. And my colleague is selling.
हेर्दै हिँड ल ओ कहाँबाट आयो हरियो लिजर
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, meet Susie, our American bald eagle. Let's give her a big hand, everyone. There we go. Alright. Now, bald eagles can be found in North America, and they are one of the largest seagulls found in that continent. They are also known as the national emblem of the United States of America. You might be wondering, why are they called bald eagles when they have feathers on their head? Alright? Well, this might be because of 2 reasons. One is that bald is an older English word for white head. And number 2 is that when these birds are flying high up the sky, their heads appear to be camouflaged among the clouds, giving them the appearance that they are bald, hence the name. Living near a constant source of water, these birds are known to hunt for fish, but they can even hunt for rabbits and feed on dead animals. By the way, Susie here is 18 years old. It's time for her to head back home. On the inside, big round of applause for Susie, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Next up is a bird of prey with a keen sense of smell, and they are able to detect the stench of rotting carcass from miles away. Well, I'm talking about a vulture, and to be exact, a turkey vulture. With that said, let's now welcome Titan. Alright, now turkey vouchers can be found from Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They're one of the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million of them. As mentioned earlier, they have a keen sense of smell, so they are usually the first to locate a carcass and land on it. But at times, they might not be able to feed on it yet, as the beasts are not strong enough to tear open large carcass skin like a buffalo carcass, which is why they have to wait for other species of vultures to help them out. Right, Titan, I believe you have done very well. It's time for you to head back home. Still busy feeding on my photographer. Right over there. There we go. A big round of applause for Titan, everyone. Bye-bye. Okay, we are just... Here we come. And a good... Oh, he missed it, but there. Rado. Let's give Rado another chance, shall we? Let's keep it straight out again. Rado, here's a chance to redeem yourself, and there he goes. Well done, Rado. Well done. Wow. Very persistent bird indeed. And 4. And one last one. Really high one. Let's go. 5. Wow. Let's give that a big hand, everyone. Excellent job. Well done. Alright, now I need the help of another volunteer again. But this time an adult volunteer. So sorry kids, adult volunteer. How about you? A big fly and a good landing there. Well done, wow. And a very strong arm indeed. Thank you so much. Alright, Hazel will now be making a flight all the way to Swisher, right over there. Thank you, Swisher. There we go. Alright, wow, so how was it?
Good. Actually, I'm surprised.
You don't sound very surprised. Alright. Migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lose their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. Genghis happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along the shopping districts of Orchard Road, and that was back in 2005. We went down to rescue him and nurse him back to good health. I'll take a good look at him. Don't you think he's very strong and healthy now? Yes? After all, he is a survivor. Genghis, I believe it's time for you to head home now, all the way inside. A big round of applause for Genghis, everyone. Thank you. And with that, we shall continue. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now joined by a group of vultures, and let me introduce them to you one at a time. Starting with the smaller grey ones, these are the white-backed vultures, and they can be found in Africa, just like Hazel, the hooded vulture. As for the bigger brown ones, they are the cinereous vultures from Europe and Asia. It is a very common sight to see vultures coexisting together in the wild, feeding on a dead animal just like that. Vultures are very important to the ecosystem as they help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on dead animal. That is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, many vulture species are rapidly declining in the wild due to threats such as poaching, deforestation, and even poisoning of carcasses. Fortunately for us, WRS is now working hand in hand with BirdLife International to help protect and conserve 3 critically Asian vulture species in Cambodia. And these are the white round vulture, the red-headed vulture, and the slender-billed vulture. Let us all continue our efforts and support to help protect.
हलको हो नि त भाइ त हलको सरी नानी सिधै भाइ बिचरा खाका लाग्छ पराठो हिँडेर
त्यो पर हेर इमु इमु
बिग बर्ड
यसको मासु खाएका भने अस्ट्रेलियामा
यो त अनलाइन बेच्छ नि आजकल नेपालमा
योलाई अहिले पालेको फार्म बनाएको बस्नु त
हामीले अस्ट्रेलियामा यसको मासु खाएको इमु होइन इमु झन्डै झन्डै 80 जस्तै हुन्छ हेलो हेर यो यत्रो ठुलो भएर नि हिँड्ने टोलीमा चरेको सबै